Alright, this is Villa Milan. We are on the south side of the building. This would be the westmost clean out, probably midway in front of parking spot 212. And we just jet cleaned the line, so we want to take a look and see how everything looks. I know once we get to the PVC section, we're going to have there's a belly in the line. There's just found a lot of toilet paper and debris built up in here, which we blasted all that stuff out. So all this pipe is cast iron, and so far it looks really good. So that was a 45-degree turn we just went through. And this is going to be right at the, well, let's see. So we have a small little dip right there in the cast. That's okay. If it's that small, it doesn't concern me that bad. It does not appear to be broken because the camera head would go through the pipe and down into the dirt. Alright, so this is a problem. So what's happened is the PVC line has broken away from or sunk down off the Fernco. This is at 90 feet. This spot is going to need to be dug up and repaired. We jet cleaned all the stuff so that now we can, obviously see it. But this is in desperate need of repair here. So where you're seeing that little PVC quote-unquote rainbow, that's how big of an area that all the debris has to travel through. So the dirt has pushed that PVC pipe off of that Fernco. We're going to locate this spot and put a spot of orange paint right on the ground, right where this is. Alright, so we've got this spot marked. It's going to have to be dug up, and that's probably what's causing the back pitch on that PVC line. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go to, you can see it just in the distance there, that's a clean out. So we're going to go run that clean out and see how far the line is going to be back pitched. The good news is at least now it's clear of all debris so that we can see everything. Alright, so this is our spot. Way up there where our truck is where we went through to come all the way down here to this spot. This is the first pop-up PVC clean out. What I'm going to do is run away from it, and the line's going to be holding water because obviously now there's going to be some back pitch on it. So that's good. It looks like it's just that section, but we're going to keep going and see if there's any more bellies in this line. So somebody's obviously gone number 2 since we did our cleaning. So this is in this area here, the pipe is also sagging down, and this is right where everybody is driving. We literally just clean this area. So you can see how I'm coming up out of the water now. So what I'm probably going to do is mark that section out too, but I want to go ahead and inspect all the way to the main while I'm in here to make sure everything looks good. Another number 2. This should be our drop into the main here. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to pull back. That's our main going all the way down to the manhole. That's all cast iron. It's all going to be flowing good. This is where all the buildings flow into. So I'm going to pull back and we're going to mark out this other belly in this PVC line. Alright, so I'm going to mark right here. This is going to be the end of the belly in this section. Alright, so we have that area marked. We actually put a horizontal line on the ground. And we're going to come back to the front side of where this belly is. So depending on so this is our high point right here. So we're going to go ahead and mark this spot as well. Alright, so we've got that sucker marked out as well. So I'm going to pull back here through the clean out and then I will conclude the video. And again, this is underwater because that fitting is separated. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.